In today's fast-paced world, who has the time to chase down every speck of dust or tackle those accidental coffee spills? That's where robot vacuum and mop combos come to the rescue, the unsung heroes of the clean home squad. But what makes the best of these gadgets truly stand out is that their ninja-like ability to switch from fluffy carpets to shiny hardwood floors, or maybe their smart brains that remember where your furniture is to avoid bumps and scrapes. We will share the 6 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2024 for you. The top picks in this category aren't just about sucking up dirt or dragging a damp cloth across your floor, they do it with a finesse that leaves your space spotless. Plus, the ability to shout out cleaning commands without lifting a finger, thanks to smart home compatibility. So let's get started. Number 6, Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly cleaning tool that both vacuums and mops, the Shark Matrix Plus might be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the design. The Matrix Plus has a sleek and compact design, making it easy for this little powerhouse to slip under furniture and clean those hard-to-reach spaces. Its standout feature is its raw suction power. This beast can remove dirt, dust, pet hair, and allergens from any type of flooring. Whether you've got hardwood, carpet, or tile, the Matrix Plus handles it all with ease. In mopping mode, the sonic mop attachment vibrates at a high frequency to loosen up dirt stuck on your floors. It doesn't just glide over the dirt, it actively works to lift and remove it, leaving your floors spotless. The enhanced suction capabilities and the ability to auto-empty the bin are real game changers. Imagine not having to empty the dustbin for up to 60 days. Yes, you heard that right, 60 days of debris storage. One unique feature that sets the Matrix Plus apart from other robot vacuums is its matrix cleaning function. This ensures that the robot cleans in one direction and in straight lines, making sure no spot is missed. The Shark Matrix Plus uses state-of-the-art LiDAR technology and intelligent navigation to map out your home. It's equipped with multiple sensors to avoid obstacles and accurately clean edges and corners, making the cleaning process more efficient. One downside of the Shark Matrix Plus is that it can be a bit noisy when operating at full suction power. If noise is a concern, consider running it when you're out of the house. In conclusion, the Shark Matrix Plus is packed with intelligent features and high suction power, making it a handy and budget-friendly cleaning companion. Number 5, Eufy X10 Pro. If you've got pets like me, you know the struggle with fur and muddy paw prints all too well. The Eufy X10 Pro is like a superhero for your floors. It tackles dirt and mess without you lifting a finger. One standout feature is its self-cleaning station for the mop pads. It washes and dries them with warm air, so you don't end up with smelly, bacteria-laden messes. Plus, the dustbin empties itself into a bag that only needs changing occasionally. With a large water tank, it can mop your place multiple times before needing a refill, which is super convenient for pet-friendly homes. Now let's talk power. At 8,000 PA suction powered, this thing is a beast. It digs deep to remove embedded pet hair and dirt from carpets with just one pass. And when it comes to those inevitable muddy footprints, its mopping system scrubs floors thoroughly, leaving them spotless. What sets the Eufy X10 Pro apart is its intelligence. It navigates around obstacles like pet toys and shoes, so you don't have to tidy up before it starts cleaning. You could even create customizable maps to tell it where not to go, perfect for avoiding your pet's favorite spots. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that setting up the customizable maps can be a bit tricky at first, and occasionally, the app connectivity might have minor hiccups. Fortunately, these issues are usually resolved with a bit of patience and troubleshooting. The Eufy X10 Pro is a game changer for pet owners, combining powerful cleaning performance with smart features that make your life easier. Number 4, Narwal Freo X Ultra. Best robot vacuum and MoB combo for easy maintenance. With an impressive 8,200 PA suction power, this robot vacuum means business. It's designed to tackle chips, pet hair, and dirt that lurk in every corner with ease. What really impressed me is its zero tangling feature, which means no more cutting tangled hair from vacuum brushes. This gadget is a total hair magnet without the mess. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The Narwal Freo X Ultra isn't just about vacuuming, it mops your floors to a shiny finish. Its mop heads work like mini scrubbing warriors, ensuring stubborn stains are a thing of the past. It doesn't miss edges or corners, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Let's talk about the MVP feature, the self-cleaning dock. This genius dock washes, dries, and reloads the mop with water and detergent automatically. It's like having a pit crew for your vacuum, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Plus, dealing with dust is a breeze. The Cleverbot compresses it into a neat bag that only needs changing every couple of months. One slight drawback I notice is that occasionally, the app interface could be more user-friendly. Some users might find it a bit challenging to set up advanced features initially. However, once you get the hang of it, scheduling cleanings and customizing customizing settings becomes second nature. The Narwal Freo X Ultra stands out with its powerful suction, advanced mopping capabilities, and the convenience of its self-cleaning dock. Number 3. Dreame X40 Ultra. Ultra isn't just any robot vacuum and top combo, it's like the VIP of cleaning gadgets for those who appreciate a little luxury in their home maintenance. The Dreame X40 Ultra sports a compact circular design with a shiny finish, making it a stylish addition to any home. Its standout feature is its impressive 12,000 Pascal suction power, which ensures thorough cleaning of carpets and hard floors alike. It effortlessly removes dirt, debris, and even pet hair deeply embedded in carpets. One unique aspect is its versatile mop, which can be adjusted to lift 10.5 millimeters above the ground on carpeted surfaces, preventing them from getting wet and stuck. What's even more impressive is the self-cleaning capability of the mop. With 2 separate tanks for wash and dirty water, it ensures no cross-contamination. The base station washes the mop with streams of hot water at 158 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively melting away grime and sterilizing it. Powerful air currents then dry the mop completely, eliminating any bacteria or odors. The Dreame X40 Ultra utilizes advanced 3D structured light and built-in ad with an RGB camera and LED light to map out your home accurately. You can customize cleaning schedules and paths through the app, adding a layer of convenience. However, one downside is its higher cost compared to other models. While the performance and features justify the price for many, it might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Dreame X40 Ultra excels with its powerful suction, self-cleaning mop, and advanced mapping technology. Number 2. Ecovacs Deebot X2. If you're looking for a robotic vacuum and mop that blends power, innovation, and ease of use, stick around because this one's got some serious perks to offer. Let's talk about what makes the Deebot X2 Omni stand out. Firstly, its D-shaped design ensures better corner and edge cleaning compared to traditional round robots. This design feature, along with its powerful 8,000 Pascal suction, means it effectively tackles debris and pet hair across both carpets and hard floors. One of its standout features is the integrated security camera and voice assistant, adding an extra layer of convenience and home monitoring. The self-emptying dustbin and self-washing mop system are also game changers, making maintenance a breeze. However, it may occasionally dampen carpets during mopping. While a hot water mop system is efficient, it's something to keep in mind for homes with carpets. The Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni is not just about power and functionality, it's also about smart design. Its D-shaped body allows it to reach corners and edges that other robots might miss, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The large base station may seem imposing, but it houses sophisticated technology that enhances its cleaning capabilities. So if you're looking for a versatile and powerful robotic cleaner that integrates advanced features like a security camera and efficient cleaning modes, the Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni is a solid choice. Despite its higher costs, its performance and convenience make it worth considering for those serious about maintaining a clean and tidy home. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV, the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2024. If you're looking to revolutionize your cleaning routine with advanced technology and seamless functionality, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Do you know what sets the Roborock S8 MaxV apart? Firstly, its impressive suction power at 10,000 PA ensures thorough cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It's designed to handle even the toughest dirt and pet hair without getting tangled, a huge relief for pet owners like myself. What I find truly remarkable is its intelligent navigation. The S8 MaxV uses advanced sensors to map out your home, effortlessly maneuvering around obstacles and avoiding collisions. It's meticulous in its cleaning, ensuring every corner and edge is spotless. One of its standout features is the all-in-one dock, where it not only charges itself but also refills and cleans its mop completely hassle-free. This level of automation means you can enjoy spotless floors every day with minimal effort. However, one potential drawback is its reliance on Wi-Fi for certain features like voice commands. While it's incredibly smart and efficient, this could be inconvenient if your Wi-Fi connection is unstable. In conclusion, the Roborock S8 MaxV is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a smart home companion that simplifies your life. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and innovative features like pet monitoring, it's an investment in both cleanliness and convenience that's hard to beat. And that wraps up this guide, everyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. Are you drawn to advanced features for pet owners, or do you lean towards user-friendly robots that simplify maintenance? Hit that notification bell too, so you never miss out on our latest updates. Take care and have a great day.